Database maintenance, the key to future marketing success. In this session, I'm going to teach the dealers how to get their data out of the two different sources they have. They have DMS data and CRM data, and then take that data and then send it to an email cleaning service. Email cleaning services, there's a number of them out there. You can simply go to Google, do a search, you can pick one. The most important thing you need to find with that cleaning service is that they're going to do email verification. In this session, we're going to talk about why that is so important. Then, what we're going to do in this session is also talk about what you're going to do when you get the data back that is now cleaned. And I recommend using Massive Email Marketing Service for sending out those emails. And I'll explain that in detail in this learning lab. You're going to maintain the two data files, your customers and your prospects, and in this session you're going to learn how to properly market to them and get through the spam filters so you can successfully reach your customers and prospects. The learning objectives: you're going to learn the necessary steps to clean your email databases, how to work with your CRM provider to update the email addresses in your CRM, and options on how to properly market to your new clean database.